Most of us don't think about utilities all that often. They're one of those things that just kind of happen in the background. That is, until something goes wrong. When utilities aren't working, it's hard to think about anything else. We depend on our utility operators to provide service to our homes and businesses 24/7, 365. From electricity, internet, and cable, to oil, water, and natural gas, utilities are an indispensable part of our everyday lives. Great! Everything is up and running again. It takes a lot of people to keep all those utility services running smoothly. Technicians, customer service representatives, meter readers, line workers. Every one of those roles is important in making sure that many of our modern-day conveniences are, well, convenient. Take Antonio, for example. He moved to Lawrence to attend the University of Kansas. After graduating with a degree in computer science, he's just started a new job as a representative at Top City Communications, a Kansas-based utility operator. Top City Communications is a registered member of Kansas 811. That means the locations of their lines are on file with the One Call Center. As a result, the company receives an alert whenever someone is planning a digging project near their underground utilities. These notifications are important. They help keep excavators safe, protect Top City's facilities from being damaged, and ensure that community members stay connected. One of Antonio's responsibilities at his new job is handling these notifications from the One Call Center. This particular notification tells Antonio that a locate request has been submitted by an excavator here in Lawrence. It looks like the excavator is planning to dig in an area where Top City Communications has fiber optic cables buried underground. Antonio knows that Top City now has 2 working days to get those lines marked so that the excavator can dig safely. Not a problem. Our savvy representative gets the address from the One Call locate request and arranges for a locator to head out to the site the following day. Now that Antonio has contacted the locator, he can kick back and relax. Just not for very long. We'll let you get back to it, Antonio.